that are smartphones, are they truly smart? When we say smart, what do we mean? We simply mean that they should be able to take independent decisions. And that's why artificial intelligence that is in your present phone, that you call smartphone, they are mostly limited to automation. That phone itself is not really smart. So phones still require manual input. Like now, you cannot just tell your phone to call me, or your phone, if you have one network, cannot automatically determine the quality of that network and switch by itself to another network. Perhaps you are at Offa today, and your phone, you are at Offa today, maybe you use one network, and the network is not so good, and you have to manually cut the call and redial using another network. So this phone is not really smart. That is what I want you to know. And then, because we have been calling smartphone, that is a very long use of word. Nothing smart in what you call smartphone. Or let me say, don't let me generalize, the smartness in what we presently call smartphone, the smartest in what we presently call smartphone is very limited. Then, maybe to mobile app for use of automation. The question is, a really smartphone should be one understand user intent behind commands. Your phone must understand what you have inside you, what you intend to do, and be able to do it for you. And must be able to predict and prevent problems for you. Not only that, your phone must be able to learn from what you have been doing. That at Offa, Summit University today, the preferred network is network D. And it must use that network next time when you come to Offa. Not that, it's you who have to manually do that. And then, current devices are processing, but lack cognitive awareness. Can your phone, as of today, tell you what to hit, how to move, what to wear? No. So in the actual sense, there is need for us to redefine and what qualifies smartphone. And again, mostly you will say this network is not good, or this, at times it's not the network, it's your mobile device. That's what you call quality of experience. You might be on the same network with me, but I'm experiencing different things. And you will say, what is wrong with my own phone? So it's not really about network. And that's why at times the network provider will be telling you, our network is so okay, the latency, but you that you are experiencing it, you are experiencing total different things. That's why we talk about quality of experience and quality of service. And that's why we at Federal University of Technology, Nigeria, and Summit University of Kwara State, Nigeria, came together and came up with what is called cognitive phone. And that approach, we work on the hardware and the SIM, and now it's artificial intelligence. This is the problem in Nigeria. You will all agree with me that most of us, we have more than one mobile phone. Am I right? Yes, maybe 2 or 3. Why? Because of quality of experience. And some of us that only hold one phone, we have multiple SIMs on it. Why? Because of quality of experience, user's experience. This problem has been with us for so many years. The problem must be addressed. And we felt that by looking into the hardware and the SIM, we can give solution to that problem. And that is what we are actually doing. We came up with what is called multiple operator enabled SIM card. That is one SIM card, all networks. You don't have to buy SIM card for network A, network B, network C. And then again, your phone must be really smart in the smartness state. That is, must be able to move from one network to another without your input, and must be able to take decision for you as far what to do, what to use, and the rest. And aside that, you may not have sufficient credit, what you call credit, on one phone, on one network. It must definitely be able to take decision on what to do and how to switch. So we came up, what we now did is that we solved that problem using the embedded system approach and super sim approach. And then we came up with that solution that bridged the gap between what is called QoS, quality of service, that is, ensure the network works efficiently, and QoE, and we, the users, we experience the best. That's why we came up with what is called the cognitive phone. The cognitive phone bridges the gap by intelligently, that is, using artificial intelligence. We use artificial neural network, genetic algorithm, and then we also use gamma theta and some other parameters in achieving that. Our vision, what we actually came up is not only about phone, it's about being the largest mobile network provider in Nigeria without having a single mobile station. That is, we provide opportunity for you to switch from one network to another. And this is the journey that we have actually transferred. We started the work around 2014, and as of today, we are talking about the final product. And again, this is what we have there. And we have applied this technology to so many things. Number one, we have applied it to what we call vehicle-to-vehicle communication. That is, as you are driving your car, when we enter these buses from Offa to Ibadan, you will see the drivers communicating with each other. Are they there? The police, are they there? You will see the other guy telling you, no, they are not on the road. They are so point. Your car now, with that cognitive phone, will be able to communicate with another car along the road. And that's what we have done in our vehicle-to-vehicle communication system. The whole idea is that in that network, in that device, that we use it for collision avoidance and pothole detection. That is, as you are driving your car must be able to detect where there is pothole and what to do. Not only to detect, must be able to communicate with another vehicle along the road. And also, collision avoidance. And again, also, we have developed what is called emergency telephone booths. Mostly in Nigeria, after accidents, maybe the rescuer or those who are providing first aid may be looking for mobile phone to use to initiate call. With this type of cooperative phone, we don't have to use that. We have used it also, and we have phone booths directed along some places for that. Also, we are using it for virtual learning. Mostly, when you are online, maybe online for one lecture or the other, you will see one network misbehaving, and what happened, they call drop. But with the cognitive phone, no more call drop. That's also what you have been able to do. And also, we have applied it in surveillance, IP cameras, so that you can be able to transmit information from one place to another. Lastly, we have also applied it into what is called intelligent working stick. That is a walking stick that can communicate with your hospital, with your doctors, and the rest. We have all the videos for this day. And then these are some of the achievements from the work. This work was funded by Nigerian Communications Commission, NCC, and we have been able to fabricate all the aforementioned hardware, software, and again, enough publication in impact journal. And then we have also developed, written the textbook on it, and we call it Basic Introduction to Handover in Communication System. And lastly, let me leave you with this word that we have also. We participated in exhibition in 2015 and in 2017, and it was awarded as one of the most innovative projects. Let me leave you with this, that it doesn't matter how many resources you have. If you have 20 networks and you don't know how to navigate, to combine them in your mobile phone, you will still end up buying new phones. So the time is now right for us to move from mobile phone to what we call cognitive phone. A phone that is really smart in all smartness nation. And in conclusion, smartphones are rapidly evolving. Integrating artificial intelligence is a key that we must look into. And at Summit University of Offa and Federal University of Technology, we have developed that cognitive phone. I live, and I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to the organizer for putting up this event. Special thanks to the person that has prepared this engaging slide, and I'm truly grateful to you for your attentive audience. Thank you for listening.